What's up, drop services? On this channel, I show you how to make money online using strategies and tactics from my real online drop servicing businesses and get results like these. In today's video, we're getting into how you can make your first $1,000 online with a drop servicing business with a free method, broken down step by step with a killer template you can actually go out there and use. And we all want to make that first online sale from the internet, but we don't all have the money to spend on a business. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you a killer strategy that will help you get your first sale fast. So if you stay until the end of this video, you're going to be equipped with more knowledge and skills in business than if you don't. Super important, so let's get into it. The beautiful thing about drop servicing is, even with our first sales, we can land high ticket sales. In fact, one of my students' first ever sales was $5,689, while another's was $8,738. But what is more amazing is the majority of this is profit, the money they get to keep. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact strategy drop services like me and my students use to get their first sales for free, so you can go out there and implement it yourself. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video. I heard it's super good for you and stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of the strategies and tactics you need for your business journey. And as we go through this video, comment below any questions at all and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming Q&A video. Now, a lot of you are probably new to the channel watching this. In fact, about 90% will be. So let me cover a few basics you'll need to understand in order to implement this strategy. So with this Make Money Online strategy, first of all, what is drop servicing? Essentially, it's a strategy of starting a service-based business 100% for free with no employees, office, inventory, or any fixed costs. You simply need to find a high-quality freelancer to work with using strategies I discuss on this channel. Then you connect their services with high-quality clients using free and paid methods that long-term enable you to build a real online business with your team and everything. And the best part about it is it gives you the ability to start and get your first sales for free. The reason it works so well is because, of course, you have the internet, which allows you to communicate with people around the world, and that's what enables you to connect with the freelancers and the clients and build the big business over the long term. So the freelancers need marketing and sales because they're usually focused on delivering the services, and the clients need you to connect them to services their business needs because they have a very long to-do list and don't have the time or the skills to get everything done in-house. Now, before we get into the free step-by-step Make Money Online strategy, I want to share with you something else today. I really need to clarify some limiting beliefs that are not only wrong, but not based on reality. And they're also extremely detrimental to your ability to make money online and achieve anything as a freelancer or in business in general. Limiting beliefs are those that, well, limit you, hold you back. Now, I'm a super practical guy, but we can't deny our mindset directly impacts the actions we take and the results we get. So here are the top messed up mindsets you need to destroy before you implement the free strategy I'm about to give you. Nobody will buy from you is a super common belief for someone just starting to learn how to make money online. We view making money as this super difficult thing because before making money online, we've usually been working in a day job for a long time, and we think that it simply isn't possible to make money online in an easy and fast way. And if we tell anyone that's what we're doing, they'll tell us that it's not possible. They'll try and pull us down with the idea that it's possible because if it was, they could do it too. And deep down, that makes them feel uncomfortable. We don't like seeing other people do better than us because it makes us feel like we could do it too, even though we know we won't. So having everyone around us saying it's possible doesn't help, but on top of that, we simply don't believe in ourselves enough. The fact is, what one person can do, another can do in most cases, right? And this is especially true when it comes to make money online. To break this limiting belief, you just need to look at as many examples as you can that it is possible and that people will buy from you. Having other examples will help you believe in yourself between the period you start and the point that you land that first sale. Now, I want to do something real quick. Think in your mind, money is and know what kind of answers you come up with. Comment below this video what words come to mind when you think money is blank. For most of us that grew up in relatively poor environments like I did, you probably come up with things like hard work, scarce, evil. Hit the like button if you came up with a lot of negative things about money. It's pretty messed up, but throughout our upbringing, we're led to believe that money is bad in many ways. First of all, we tell ourselves that it's very scarce and hard to come by, but the fact is, it's not. You can get a job at McDonald's and make money pretty quickly. Even homeless people begging on the street make a good amount of money. It's crazy. You can make money. The problem is what you do with the money you make. Most people spend their money on pizza, Netflix, and video games. They waste their money on things that don't bring them more money, and that's why they stay in the same spot they're in now. Rich people, or those on the path to becoming rich, reinvest their money into activities that make them more money. That's how they get rich. So we just scratched the surface around what limiting beliefs we might have about making money, so you can see that the mindset side of things is super important. In order to combat these negative mindsets, you need to be constantly focusing on fixing them by consciously looking at your beliefs and coming up with more empowering new beliefs that help you, as well as absorbing a lot of positive content from people that have good mindsets about money as well. So that's what you can do to soak up their mindsets, and this works really well in the long run, and is how most people get to the point that their mindset actually enables them to get more results. So with drop servicing and make money online, it's super crucial, and today I'm going to share with you how to make money online drop servicing with this free strategy step by step that will take you from where you are to where you want to be. And as you know, in drop servicing, we connect high quality freelancers with high ticket clients at a massive profit. And the beautiful thing about it is there are thousands of niches, service, and marketing channel combinations to choose from. So today, I'm going to share one with you that is super powerful and could really kick things up a notch if you actually take everything I give you here and implement it yourself consistently. These steps will get you those first beginner drop servicing sales very quickly. So let's cover the exact service, niche, and marketing channel combination we're going to be covering today. But before I give away these secrets for free, hit the like button to show the YouTube gods that you like free secrets, so in the future they send you more of these, okay? So the service we're going to be covering today is video editing. Now, the reason I like video editing as a service is because it's pretty simple and easy to find high quality video editing freelancers. It's a recurring service, meaning that you get a client and they enjoy working with you. They'll be working with you month after month over the long term, which means you get paid again and again. So you get that consistent and reliable income, so you don't have to be out there searching for new clients 24/7. You can find these freelancers on Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, and Fiverr, as well as a lot of other platforms. And next up is the niche, okay? So who exactly are we going to be targeting? Well, I wanted to make it super easy and simple for you guys to be able to find this niche and be able to reach out to them. And of course, it needs to be completely free to be able to reach out to them. So the niche we're going to be targeting for our video editing offer is YouTubers. The great thing about targeting YouTubers is it's pretty easy to calculate how much money they're making from their channel, and it takes a lot of work for them to plan, create, edit, and upload their content consistently. So a bit of automation can go a long way for them, as long as they get to maintain their quality, which at the end of the day usually comes from the content itself, not how it's edited in particular. As long as you put in the work to learn how they like their videos edited, you can easily have your video editor replicate the way they edit their videos with this method. Now, some of you might be thinking that YouTubers would never give up on their creative process because they're creatives or whatever. Sure, some of them might not, but again, we aren't trying to get a sale from everyone we reach out to. It's impossible. You can't be afraid of rejection. We're focusing on getting a few clients to hit that target income we're after. Now remember as well, within the niche of YouTubers, there are a lot of sub niches, right? Gaming, makeup, vlogs, etc. So I recommend specializing your offer to be specific towards a specific sub niche of YouTubers, as you'll get much better results with this strategy. Finally, the marketing channel we're going to use here will be cold email, because it's very easy to find YouTubers' email on their channel pages for the most part. It's pretty easy to reach out that way. Now, of course, they probably get a lot of emails, which is why we're going to be really targeted in the offer that we create, and targeting them. Now, also remember guys, you can't just send a few offers and expect $1,000 to show up in your bank account. This is a get rich quick mindset, and it's what will keep you poor at the end of the day. Once we choose a service, niche, marketing channel combination, we need to consistently make offers in order to consistently get sales with drop servicing and any online business, anything you want to achieve in life. And the cool thing about cold email is it can be done for free successfully just with a free email account, which is what I used to get my first sales as a beginner. Then once you get your first sales, you can start scaling up from there, get a professional website, social media accounts, which will for sure improve your conversion rates, meaning the percentage of people that turn into paying clients. So now that we know the niche service marketing channel combination, how do we implement this completely for free and get sales? Well, what you do first of all is you need to hire the video editor, right? So post a job on platforms like Upwork and start interviewing potential team members to work with. And remember, you're only going to be paying these people once you actually get money yourself, once you get that first sale. So you're going to review their past work and testimonials and make sure they seem legitimate. Next, you need to make sure you have an email account to send emails from. Finally, you need to choose your niche. So let's say you're going to target vloggers. You can go in and do some research in different YouTube channels using a calculator like Knox Influencer YouTube channel calculator to see how much money that channel is probably making and decide if it's a good one to go after. Then you're going to create a Google Sheet of all the YouTubers you think could be good clients and that can afford your services based on how much they're making. And all you need to do is get the contact information of these YouTubers by going to the YouTube channel pages, click on the About tab, then view email address. Most YouTubers have this option turned on, and you can easily send out your offer using an email address. It's super simple as a strategy, it's completely free, and over time, as you get more sales, you can really turn this into a real business. But what exactly do you say to these YouTubers to get them to reply? Well, as I always recommend, you want to write, test, and track as many templates as possible in order to see which gets you the best results so you can keep doing more of what works. But today, I'm going to give you the first for free. So hit the like button to celebrate free templates. Now, remember, if you want to be a successful business person, you need to start thinking like one. So take this template and use it, but also come up with your own ideas and test them in the real world. That's how you find out what works, not by endlessly just taking the same one over and over again. It's not a magic template of destiny after all. So here is the template. Subject: hey first name, want a channel name to have this. Email 1. Hi first name, loving what you're doing with channel name and had to ask about how involved you are in the entire process. The quality is really great compared to other niche channels. Cheers. Email 2. Hey first name, this might sound a little random, but channel name is absolutely crushing it. I can imagine you're amazingly busy working on the content 24/7, and I love what you're doing so much that I had to give you this. I'm a massive fan of channel name and niche channels in general, but I noticed a massive problem all YouTube creators face eventually. Once you start getting tons of success, at a certain point, it's not about making more money, right? It's more about automating the system so you spend less time on it while still keeping the same level of quality and creativity. So I started working on something for niche creators that saves them time in the creative process while maximizing the quality levels at the same time. I specialize in video editing and channel management services for creators like yourself, and was wondering if you've considered working with a team to take yourself out of the process a little bit more so you can take back some of your time. Let me know if you're open to a discussion. Would love to talk about how I could help. Channel name. Cheers. You see, the first message you send is to get some sort of buy-in to the conversation. We just want them to reply by complimenting them or anything else that's relevant and making them feel super smart and amazing. By doing that, they're much more likely to reply because you're stroking their ego a bit. We all want to get real, legitimate compliments and acknowledge them when they come. So getting that buy-in and that first reply is really the most important part. So a short, relevant question like this can be really helpful in achieving that. Once you get that first initial reply from them, you can then follow up a bit more in depth about what exactly your offer is and how it relates specifically to them. As long as you consistently implement this tactic and take massive action with it, you'll be sure to get results with it. If you haven't already, check out the training below this video to get more details on how to implement a drop servicing business like this one. It's about 3 hours long, so it goes a lot more in depth into details and it's completely free. So check out the training there. Now, in case you haven't already done so, don't forget to like the video. It's really good luck and will make you feel great. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more strategies and tactics you'll need for your business journey. And comment below any questions at all you have, and I'll answer those questions in an upcoming video, and I'll personally answer them. So like I mentioned, if you want to learn more about starting a drop servicing business, check out the free 3-hour training. It's completely free in the description below. Otherwise, hopefully you actually take the strategy I gave you in this video, go out there, implement it, and get your first sales for free. Talk to you soon. Thank you.